48 we're on there now, 48.20.
So he's going 49, we're going 50. Oh, it's all
falling into place.
Occupy myself, do some writing. 50. 1050. .24 miles.
Oh, but is it very short? This is shortest one of the morning then, yeah?
4.24, yeah.
Cheers, thank you!
We're doing absolutely fantastic.
Uphill, isn't it?
Yeah. 3 and 7. Brilliant, thank you.
Winder, mate, winder. That'll do it.
So you're on a 45 right, 45 left. I'd say that's your 5 left.
Yeah.
Right on flat crest.
Turn 2 right.
80. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40. 5 right. 40. 5 left. Right on flat crest 80. So 5 left, right on flat crest 80. Caution. Crest, short 2 right over loose. Caution, crest, short 2 right over loose. 60 up mid. Caution, car off. 60 up mid, 3 left in. Into long square right rough. Long square right rough. Steady through here, this will be the car. And 5 left, 5 right.
Are they all off?
5 left, 5 right. Into crest, 4 right slippy. Crest, 4 right slippy.
4 right slippy.
And short 3 left, don't cut. And right on long crest, fast 3 left slippy. Right on long crest, fast 3 left slippy. 40. Crest, slow, 4 right, tightens very long 3 right. 4 right, tightens very long 3 right. And...
Fucking hell.
And 5 right. 5 right and flat crest 40. 4 left, don't cut.
4 left, don't cut.
4 left, don't cut. 6 right. 40. Flat crest and flat crest 200. This is 200. Fast 3 left, opens 5 left. Fast 3, opens 5. And 4 left. And caution, open hairpin left up. Or open hairpin left up. 60. Long 5 right in over crest. 60. Right on crest, jump 40. 5 left in, caution, long 6 right, don't cut over bumps. Long 6 right, don't cut over bumps. 5 right, into long flat crest 40. Double caution, slow 5 right over bumps. Slow 5 right over bumps and short 3 left. And very short 2 left. And 6 right. Into caution, right on crest bumps, into 2 left. And 3 right. And 6 right, 6 left. And fast 3 right. 100.
Fast 3, yeah.
100. Hairpin left slippy. Hairpin left slippy. 80. Late 5 right over crest jump. Late 5 right over crest jump. 60. Very short 3 right over crest. 130. Very late 3 right in. Very late 3 right in. 60 up mid.
Oh shit.
60 up mid, 4 right in, opens very long 5 right. Only 60 over crest, caution hairpin left slippy. Watch for the crest, there's the crest. Caution hairpin left slippy. 100 out. Five right over crest, so 100 out, 5 right over crest, 80, slow 4 right over crest, tightens long fast 3 right, so 4 right over crest, tightens long fast 3 right, and 5 right, so and 5 right, 40, hairpin left, 40, so 40 out, 5 right, 4 left, 5 right, 4 left, and crest 5 left in, 60, halfway, 4 left in, 6 right.
This is my 4 left in.
4 left in, 6 right, 100 up mid. Crest, bump and care, late 4 right over loose. Late 4 right over loose, 80. Fast 4 right. So fast 4 right and crest, fast 4 left, 130. Fast 4 left,
yeah.
130. Very short 3 right. Very short 3 right, 40. Slow 4 right into turn square left down. So slow 4 right into turn square left down. And very long fast 3 left. Sudden turn tight hairpin right.
3 left, hairpin right.
Yeah, long, very long hairpin right. Into long 4 right. Into long 4 right. 5 left.
4 right,
5 left. 40. 5 right. 40. Long fast 3 right. 100. So long fast 3 right. 100 over crest. Very short 3 left past junction. Very short 3 left past junction. 40. Short 3 left. So 40, short 3 left, and 5 right, 60, 5 right, 60, 6 right over crest, 80, late tight 4 left slippy, late tight 4 left slippy, and 6 right, into very short 3 left, into 5 right, tightens very long 4 right in, into middle over crest bump and slow 4 left, turn 2 left, turn 2 left and long 5 right, tightens 4 right over crest and turn square right up as you turn square and 5 left and crest, turn 2 left, so crest and turn 2 left and long flat crest into 6 right past junction over finish, 40, fast 3 left.
I drove terribly in there.
Got through it though.
Yeah, that was bad, that for me.
Ah, get these bloody windows open. Adieu!
There's 2 cars.